Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show the best sewing machines 2022 from Brother, Singer, and more too, based on specifications. So let's get started with the video.
The HD 6800C series combines ease of use features with enhanced speed and piercing power. Sew a wide range of fabrics from lightweight sheer to layers of denim. You'll love the built-in needle threader, speed control, thread cutter button, stitch tie-off, stitch mirror image, and stitch elongation, as well as the one-step buttonhole. There are also 2 different lettering fonts built in so you can sew words, phrases, and monograms. 10 presser feet are included to enhance your creative options. The 300 built-in stitches offer 586 stitch applications, which you can explore on the
and programmable needle up-down. So bring your creative sewing and embroidery visions to life with the Brother SE600 2-in-1 sewing and embroidery machine.
creativity with more room